Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed mainly for Ethereum based assets like ERC20 tokens and NFTs. It allows users to store, send, receive and manage crypto securely while keeping full control on their private keys. Since Rainbow is a non-custodial, there is no username or password system. You are the only owner of your wallet. And because of the security model, Rainbow Wallet does not work like traditional app when it comes to logging out. Instead of a simple logout, often the user must remove the wallet from the app to log out on a device. So logging out of a Rainbow Wallet means removing the wallet from the app on your phone. You need to follow this step carefully. First, you need to launch the Rainbow Wallet on your smartphone and make sure the wallet you want to log out from is active. So over here, and when you reach into this interface of the Rainbow, what you can do is on the top, there's your name or your profile. Simply select that, and over here select this edit option and simply tap on this wallet, and this is how you can remove wallet. A warning message will appear explaining that the wallet will be removed from the device, and you can also confirm your choice. The wallet will be removed from the app and you will be logged out on that device. And what happens after logging out is your crypto assets are not deleted. Once remain safely on the blockchain, the wallet is removed only from the app and you can restore it anytime using the recovery phrase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log out from Rainbow Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.